In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use standard deviation in TradingView. Standard deviation is a simple but powerful way to understand how much price is moving relative to its average. Think of it as a volatility gauge when the value rises. Price has been swinging more widely when it falls. Price action has been tighter. In TradingView, the most common setup places this as a separate indicator in its own pane below your price chart, so it doesn't clutter your candles or bars. Let's get it onto your chart. First, open your chart and click the Indicators button at the top. This opens the search panel where you can find built-in tools. In the search box, type STEV or simply Standard Deviation. You'll see a built-in option named Standard Deviation. Click it once, and the indicator will appear in a new pane below your price. You'll now see a line that moves up and down as volatility changes. By default, it usually uses a 20-period lookback and calculates on the closing price. To tailor it to your needs, hover over the indicator's label in the pane and click the gear icon to open settings. Here, you can adjust two key options: length and source. Length is the lookback period used to compute the standard deviation. A shorter length, like 10, reacts faster and highlights short bursts of volatility. But it can be choppy. A longer length, like 50, smooths out the line and focuses on broader trends in volatility. At the cost of responsiveness, the default of 20 is a balanced starting point for many traders. Source tells the indicator which price to use in the calculation. Close is the most common and keeps things consistent with many other indicators. Switching to high or low can emphasize extremes within each bar, which some traders prefer when they care about intraday ranges. You can experiment here based on your strategy, but pick one and stick with it for consistency when comparing across symbols or time frames. A quick note on interpretation: standard deviation doesn't predict direction. It measures dispersion. Rising values signal expanding volatility, which can precede breakouts or whipsaws. Falling values indicate compression, often seen during consolidations. Use it to understand the environment you are trading in, not as a standalone buy or sell signal. When you are done adjusting, close the settings window. That's it. You've added and customized the standard deviation indicator in TradingView, and you understand what it's showing you and how to tune it for your chart.